How you guys doing? It's your boy, and today I'm gonna be doing a Raichu figure collection. It's kind of like a blister pack, but instead of one extra pack and an extra card, you get a figure. Today I'm doing Raichus. Next episode I'm doing the purple edition, which is I don't even know the figure's name, but I'm gonna be doing it. Here's Raichu. And yeah. If you guys are having a good day, leave a thumbs up. If you guys are having a bad day, leave a thumbs down and let me know why in the comment section below. Let's get started. If you guys do want to know where you guys can purchase this item, I'll leave in the description below, so make sure to check that out. Let's get started. I guess it was already kind of opened. Sun and Moon, Guardian Rising, Celestial Storm. I'm feeling lucky about this one, so I'll open this one first. And we have ourselves a Raichu riding a electric wave. Pretty cool. Can it stand? Nope. Alright, I'll leave it there for now. A little more. Let's see. There. A little better view. Let's get with this pack openings. First pack of today, guys. Celestial Storm. Wish me luck, guys. First code of today. For front. Let's do this. Okay, I mixed up everything. Trainer Hau. I'm sorry about that, guys. Metang. Hontail. Torchic. Shuppet. Mudkip. Bagon. Wishmer. Okay, pretty interesting. Meditite. Put this up here. Regirock. Energy Water. Put you on the sleeve real quick. Sometimes I get it in like nothing, and sometimes I struggle. There we go. Last pack. There was only 2 pack, but I did get a cool figure, which I'm pretty happy about. You guys still want to know where you guys can purchase it, like I did say so in the beginning of the video. I'll leave it in the description below, so make sure to check it out if you're interested. I was like, where's the code at? The last code of today too. This is gonna be a pretty short video, but oh god, no, please. Dun 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 dun. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if energy card water. Hakamo. Oh. Trainer Field Blower. Godorita. Fletchling. ALOLAN Vulpix. Gochita. Chansey. Peritil. Lampent. And Victini. Alright. I'm not too mad at that. 2 fire and 1 rock. Alright. And there goes that. Let me stand this up real quick. Well, here's the figure for the last time. I did only get 3 packs. I'm sorry my stuff keeps falling in the videos, guys, but I try to make it as nice as possible for you guys. So this is what I did get for today. Lampent, Meditite, and Victini. Victini, whatever you want. But it's Victini. But feel free to subscribe if you did find this content helpful. Don't feel obligated to do so. Do it on your will, like I always do say. Do it if it helps you. Do it if you like it. You know, it's up to you. But yeah, you guys have a good one. You guys take care and peace out, guys.